I want to show you how you can recognize which stitch continental stitch and which stitch Russian style of knitting. So if we make mistake and we drop all stitches, now you need to pick them up and you don't know how you pick up, which way, right or left, or just your goal just bring it back on the needle. Oh. Now, which way do you need to knit? Continental or Russian? So, now we'll see. This stitch, it's not comfortable. This first stitch, it's continental stitch because we can see the V right side of the slope of the V stitch sitting up front of the left needle. So we need to open and see where is the yarn. Our yarn behind the needle and bring it over. Now see, it's right, beautiful V stitch, knit stitch. If you try to do back of the stitch, it will be uncomfortable and you feel it's like tight and crossover already. It's not right. You don't want to knit crossover stitches. So now you see, it's open easy from this side, from the front of the needle. And you can see easily yarn below your left needle. You just open the windows and bring the yarn forward. See, now you have right slope, left slope, and it's nice V stitch. Next one. What is this? Russian knit stitch or continental? So, if we make like this, it's very tight. It's continental style. But it's wrong way. We put on the needle wrong way. So now we instead move this needle, knit from the... We bring it back and start knitting continental style. We just do opposite. We just easy open the stitch from the behind the left needle and bring the yarn and bring it forward. This is my lazy Russian speed knitting because I can knit stitches from the left to the right, this continental style, and this is again continental style. No, it's not. See, it's tight. So we just move our needle behind left needle and bring it over. Again. It's Russian style. It's Russian style. So next one, it's all Russian style because our V and our stitches sitting like this side. See? But if this stitch would be stay like this, our right slope up front of the left needle, we knit like continental. Just our goal, make easy open the windows and bring the yarn forward. I hope you understand what I wanted to tell you. This is right V stitches. All open and all straight with right and left slopes. See? You can see easily tops of previous stitches.